this tutorial we have understand how to set up a FortiGate firewall in Hypervisor. Now let's start. So first click on Hypervisor and open as run as administrator. Click here HP, click on new and virtual machine. Here you can see the virtual machine prompt is come. Type here a name which you have to be selecting. We have typing here the name firewall FortiGate. Click on next and here you can see generation 1 and generation 2. You can select one and type here the RAM for your firewall and click on LAN side and WAN side. You can select here, this is the option you want to select, and type here the hard disk space. And we have already downloaded the VHDX FortiGate firewall, which is downloaded from internet. So we have selecting our VHDX file is completely installed. So now click on connect and type. You can see here it is asking a username and password, and type here the password and username admin, which is admin and blank. You can type here the CLI command base, which is empty. You can type here and create a new password, verifying password. Type here the new password. After you do that and create a virtual switch manager on your hypervisor, create an internal and external switches which you have to be connecting your firewall to work on LAN side or WAN side, with your choice. You have to create a virtual switch manager and connect according to your needs. You can type here to LAN side or WAN side. This is your choice. We have to selecting here the LAN side. We have already used, we have creating our pool, DSCP pool, and other too many applications we have to using on our system. Now here you can see the pop-up message of first begin new fresh website. Type here and you can check here the firewall system is connected and firewall basic website filtering administration. Here the interface you can use it and everywhere. This is the Fortinet firewall, which is free of course. You can do and open in your hypervisor. So thank you guys, keep watching and subscribe to my channel.